Hey, this is Marcos. I just wanted to show you guys a couple things. This shaft seal was leaking, right? This is the inside of the pump, outside. The motor attaches here to these 4 bolts. Well, what happens when this leaks is these recessed anchors get wet, and then the bolts get wet, and then the flange gets wet, and it starts making this buildup right here. And it starts to expand, and when it expands, it pulls out the anchors. You can see this one got pulled all the way out. Okay. So if you look close enough, when the motor's attached, and you look at the flange attached, there is a thinner, and then you see that it kind of pops out like this, right? Just a little bit. So in the top, goes like this, and then you see it get a little bit bigger, probably about 1/8 to 1/4 inch wider down here, because it's pulling away. Well, what ends up happening is the impeller starts to rub on the inside, because this is staying straight up and down, but the motor's doing this, and since the impeller is attached to it, it also does that, and it starts to rub on it. And the thing that I want to let you know on this motor, you can hear it humming over here. Sounds great right now. Moving water, no problem. Okay. Is it 1 out of every 10 times? It would stop, and it would get stuck, and then it would pop the breaker. So just keep an eye out for that. Hope that helps.